Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I wanted to show you guys if you wanted to glue down your wigs, whether it's a closure, a frontal, or even a full lace wig. The concept is technically the same across the board. Today, I will be showing you how to glue down closure wigs. Sometimes you need some security. You know what I mean? So you want to make sure that your hair underneath is braided. Since I will not be putting on a frontal, usually with my closures, I do not wear a wig cap. I just don't. It just works for me. If you feel the need to have on a wig cap with a closure wig, by all means, go ahead and do that step. Me personally, I just don't do it unless I am wearing a full frontal. Frontal meaning from ear to ear. That's what I mean. Make sure that your hair, as you can see, I made sure that I tied down my hair to make sure that everything is kind of off of my forehead. So what I'm going to do is get a paper towel, and I'm going to get some 70% alcohol. I am just patting the area to make sure that any oils or anything that's going to cause this to lift, I am making sure I'm doing it. I'm gonna go right in with the Bold Hold Skin Protectant. This is really good because it helps, especially if you sweat a lot. Me personally, I do sweat a lot. So if you want something, one that's going to have a barrier between your skin and whatever adhesive you choose to use, this is the way to go. Always have a skin protectant. So I'm just going to do the skin protectant in the area that I need it. I spray it, or once again, you can get your paper towel. You can spray it on and then dab the area that you want to use. So for whatever unit you're planning on putting on, if you notice that it doesn't necessarily matches your skin complexion, what I personally like to do is use a foundation or a concealer that matches my skin complexion the closest, and I would like to put it underneath. I will put it underneath the lace to help tint the lace, so to speak, so that it matches me for when I put it on. Currently, right now, I don't know if you can see, but you can see here somewhat matches, but up here doesn't quite match very well. So what I'm gonna do is get some foundation, and I am going to go right ahead and see if I can match it to my skin complexion. So once you have put the your foundation, whatever matches your complexion the best, onto the lace, you want to get a holding spray and just go right ahead and spray it just to give it a little hold so that it doesn't transfer too much on the clean area that you recently cleaned. And as you can see now that it matches my skin complexion, of course not completely, because, well, I guess my hand does matches my face pretty well. So right now you're going to get your wig and put it on. I know that this is a lace closure, a 4x4. I don't necessarily want it to be in the middle of my head. I do want it to be slightly off so that it looks like I have a deep side part. That's what I'm going for. That's the look I'm going for. That's why I always wash my units and pre-part them. So when I do come to this part, instead of having to use a hot comb to kind of manipulate the part, I try to do it while it's still wet, if that makes any sense. I think this is pretty good as far as where I want it to be. Yeah, that's pretty good. So for my adhesive today, I don't necessarily want a really strong hold, so I think I'm just gonna go with this one. So what I'm trying to do is what you want, what you want a thick enough adhesive so when you do put on your lace on it, or when you're trying to melt it down, it doesn't lift. Because if it's too thin, it's not enough, you know, it just doesn't work. Just make sure it's thick enough. Okay, you guys, just make sure it's thick enough. Now I'm only going to do one layer. Like I said, I do not want this to be on for too long. Maybe for 2 days, but a day at most. 1 day at most, but let's just go for 2 days. So depending on how many layers you want to put on, you wait until the previous layer is completely clear before you add on another layer. So I wouldn't add my second layer until this layer is completely clear. As you can see, there are parts that are clear, and at this point is when you would add a second layer if you want to. But like I said, I'm not going to be adding a second layer. So at this point, I will be putting on the wig. Hopefully I can get this on camera, you guys, because I'm also looking into the mirror. So there we go. Oh, this is tight. So you want to go ahead, not with your fingers, but with a comb. And that is something I forgot, of course. So now what you want to do is press that down. So now at this moment, what you want to do is get your elastic band. And so at this point, what you can do, you can take out the baby hairs. You can do whatever you want to do. As you can see, I already have some baby hairs out already. This is a wig that was already cut. I have worn this wig before. So that's what I'm working with. So I'm going to tie down the hair for at least 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm going to tie it down. So all you're going to do is this. So you guys, as you saw, this was a process. Overnight is not gonna happen. If that's what you're thinking, it ain't gonna happen. But with time and patience, I believe that you would get better. I've gotten better. You would get better. And I still do feel like there's a lot of stuff I need to work on. But ultimately, with no filter, no nothing, I have absolutely no makeup on, this is how the hair looks. If you ask me, I think it turned out pretty great. Definitely comment down below what you think. Definitely share this video. If you would like for me to do a lace frontal, which is ear to ear, I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. But you know, this is cute. All I'm missing is, you know, some foundation, some makeup, some lashes, and I am good to go. Like, you guys, let me zoom in on this. What do you think? I think I did it. I think it looks pretty good. I think the hair is gorgeous. I could put it all on one side. You know, she's giving face. Once again, this is a 4x4 lace closure wig. It is not a frontal. You know, although the closure wig is supposed to look like a frontal, it's not a frontal. It's just from here to here is all the parting space that hey guys, I want to thank you so much for getting this far into the video. I really do hope that some of you, or even one of you, have learned something by watching this video. I really do appreciate it. So this is how everything turned out. This is the next day. So I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for all the upcoming videos that I will be posting. You know, holiday season is coming up, so you know your girl gotta look good. I am planning on doing some different color hair this year. I don't know what color. I think last year I did white. This year I'm thinking of emerald green. Go ahead and comment down below which color I should do this year. For those of you who knows me, during this holiday season, emerald green is my color. It's definitely my color. I don't know what I would do or if I would like it in my hair. I don't know. So you guys go right ahead and comment that down below. Definitely let me know if you've learned anything. If you do enjoy videos like this, because I really do enjoy recording them. Yeah, so I will see you guys in my next video.